Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this 2-litre diesel Golf. It's the same engine in the Seat, Skoda, Audi, VW, whatever you want to call it. So we have this code here, okay, P106500 fuel pressure regulation control difference. So there's a rough idle. It's rough when it's idle at standstill, should we say. Sounds a bit rigid at times, not all the time, but at times. So this code goes back to this whole fueling rail here. So what I would recommend is you guys change this here, this complete bar. So this here, I mean, for some of you that need, let's just turn the engine off. Just vibrating. I just want to get the code for you all. So there it is. That's what you need. You need, if you ask me, it's a plug and play really, nothing, you don't need to code it or anything, but it's this whole bar that goes all the way across with the fuel rail. So if you do gonna change it, make sure you put a new genuine OEM sensor on, fuel rail pressure sensor at the end, and make sure this is also in good shape and it's OEM. Don't buy aftermarket because you're gonna just leg yourself up, all right? But that's what it is, and that's how to kind of solve it. But that's it there, guys, all right?